Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to the channel. If you're stopping by for your first time, hi, my name is Bena, and on this channel, I share healthy, delicious recipes and tips for eating and staying healthy. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Join the family, and you are so welcome. Today I am bringing you another easy, healthy air fryer recipe. This time around we are making muffins. I know, who doesn't like muffins? We are making them from oat flour and carrots nuts. They are super healthy, and these are the kind of muffins that you want to include in your diet, especially if you want to keep your weight in check. They are super easy to make. Anyone can whip this up. Let's jump right into the recipe. I'll just quickly run you through a list of ingredients we need, and then we can start making our banana oat muffins. So I have over here some bananas, some 3 overripe bananas. Now make sure that your bananas, if you can keep them to get ripe, because the riper the sweeter. Over here I have some vanilla extract. I have some raisins over here. I have my coconut oil there. It's been melted. Now you want to make sure that you're looking for 100% virgin, organic virgin, and also cold pressed. That's so important so you can get the maximum benefits from it. I have here some my almonds, my sliced almonds. I have some chopped walnuts over here, my eggs, my apple. I'm going to be grating that apple. You can also use apple sauce. It just helps to provide more fiber and also moisture to your muffins. And in here I have some baking soda, baking powder, some salt and cinnamon. And I also have here some grated carrots. Now I did go ahead and grated this already. I made sure they are finely grated but not as smooth. You can also use your food processor and also work your carrots. We want to make sure that we have a little bit of texture from our carrots in our muffins as well. And here I have some rolled oats. So we are going to start first by making our oat flour. So I just had my raw oats in my blender. So I'll just go ahead and blend this. So our oat flour is ready. I'm just going to transfer it in here. This is how the texture is looking. It's not super smooth like other flours, but it is going to work just fine. So let's proceed. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the dry ingredients to our flour. And I'm just going to mix them, make sure they combine properly at this point. So that was the salt, baking powder, baking soda, and the cinnamon. I'll mix everything together. And I'll set this aside. And the next step, I'm going to go ahead and just peel and mash our bananas. Right here. Go ahead and mash our bananas. The next thing I do is I peel the apple right here. I'm just going to finely grate it and add it into our banana. I'm going to add it in to the banana, and next I'll crack the eggs and just add in there. Going to mix this, combine. Next I'm going to add a vanilla extract for flavoring. I'll add in the coconut oil, carrots, want to mix properly so everything can combine. Just look at that color. I love it. The carrots are giving it already a very beautiful color. I'm going to add in the raisins, the walnuts, and the sliced apples. I'll just leave a little bit to the side so I can top them up once they are already in the muffin. Next, I'm going to bring in our oat flour and just combine the wet and the dry ingredients now together. I'll do it in two first, like this. I want to make sure that everything combines properly. I'm going to start preheating our air fryer. I have also here my silicone muffin tins, and I also have my ice cream scoop. I'm just going to scoop the batter and load them in there. And yeah, before we put it in the air fryer. I'm just going to use some of the sliced almonds, the walnuts, and just put it on top. The raisins, just to make it look pretty. The air fryer has been preheated. I'm just going to pop in the muffins gently before we put it back in the air fryer. I'm just going to air fry them on 300 for first 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes we're going to check to see how they're looking. So let's find 15 minutes. 300, 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, let's check our muffins and see how they are doing. Right here. I'm just going to use a toothpick and just check to see if they are ready or we still need to put them back in. I think I'm going to pop them back in the fryer, sorry, maybe for another 5 minutes because they don't look ready all the way through. So I'm just going to put it back in for 5 more minutes. So yeah, 320 for 5 more minutes, and then they'll be done by then, hopefully. 5 minutes later. Ooh, they look gorgeous. Take a look. I'm just going to let them cool down, and then we can see how they look like inside. They look so gorgeous, smells so good. So dear friends, these muffins were totally, absolutely delicious. I hope you get to try them soon. They were ready right on time for my kids to get back home from school, and they just grabbed them and they were all gone within 2 hours. They are super healthy and really a great substitute to our traditional muffins. I bet you if you try them, you're not gonna buy the store-bought muffins again. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and join the family so you can also support the channel to grow. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.